Hola amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I'm here with the very last installment of the Kinder Beauty Box. I am very behind, finally catching up on filming my very last 2 boxes and my very last video, highlighting the October and November 2022 unboxing. I had done a 1-year subscription of Kinder Beauty Box and it came to an end in November, and given that I have yet to go through every product that I received, I ended my subscription. Also, I'll be very honest, a lot of the products are great, incredible brands, but Kinder Beauty Box, especially when I was trying it, I haven't tried anything since November, so I know they've been rolling out a lot of different things and changes, so check them out on your own. But my experience in the year that I did the subscription box was that they tend to gravitate towards certain brands that aren't necessarily the kind of brands that I would gravitate towards myself, and I've always bought cruelty free. That's been the draw of the Kinder Beauty Box for me. I've been cruelty free since I was 17, so that's a long time, a few decades under my belt. So I've become very picky with the products that I like. I know what I like. I know how to get my hands on cruelty free products and where to go both locally and online, so it's not hard for me. I feel that the Kinder Beauty Box, and I'm kind of giving my summary right now, is great for people if they're starting out in that lifestyle or if they're more amenable to products being chosen for them. You do have the flexibility that if you see what the upcoming box is and it's not exactly what you wanted, to hold that month and skip it and resume on a month with products that you like. I never did that. I could have done that, but it was just easier to let the subscription run its course and just monthly receive each box. I didn't mention that the Kinder Beauty Box is a cruelty-free subscription box, but I'm kind of going in the assumption that by now you know, and you want to know more, just check out my playlist on the Kinder Beauty Box here. This is the October 2022 box, also known as the Your Highness box, and if you've been watching my videos, you know what I'm going to do. We're just going to delve in and see what's in the box. The Fleur and Bee Prince Charcoal Detox Clay Mask. I didn't even know I had this, and I'm actually really excited. I'm gonna keep this in the box so I don't lose it. These kind of incredible additions, but I'm actually excited. I didn't know this was in the box. The Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask for dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. I could have used this. The Jill Starter Kit. What is this? It says ready to see what all the fuzz is about. I have no idea what this is. Is this one of those epilating things? I don't do that kind of shit. Oh, it's like one of those epilating things. Yeah, not my cup of tea because I wax, but you have that one thing. I don't know what the hell this is. Probably like replacement blades, I would think, and a little towel. Okay, not my favorite thing, but cute. Also, can make for a good gift that you can give someone with any of these products that you're not crazy about. That's always been like a plus. I actually did make someone like a little spa type care package with quality products. It came out to be like a very expensive, beautiful gift, but it came from my Kinder Beauty boxes, so I've already done that. The Ethnique Kookaburra Solid Conditioner for normal hair, whatever that means, normal hair. 3 Ships Dewdrops Mini Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin C Serum. I do need hyaluronic acid. I will be using this. This is the November 2022 box and my last box of Kinder Beauty ever, also known as the Exhale box. And let's delve right in. The Liliana Naturals High Potency Retinol Serum. Yay! I didn't know I had all this amazing goodness. Cuccio Somatology Pause Meditation Mist. I have no idea what that is. Jasmine Beauty Coasting Highlighter. Ooh, it is makeup. I'm more of a golden highlighter girl, so I'll have to try this out and see. Maybe my daughter might like it. So Bioetic Organic Hand Cream. This can come in handy. I mean, I'll definitely use that. And the Zion Health Ancient Clay Soap. I keep trying to hold all the products in my hand just to show you. I think the yearly subscription box was like 22 or 21, something like that a month. I don't remember. I mentioned it in my other videos where I was more lucid and remembered, but this is 2 months worth, so like $40 to $42 for all of these products, and one of these is definitely going to be worth more than all that. It's a win-win. Oh my god, I'm a mess. So if you're curious about the Kinder Beauty Box, I really do think it's worth trying. I don't regret having tried it. The products in this box were actually killer. So if you're gonna try it, be more responsible with it than I was, because they give you an alert of what's coming and you get to choose between 2 boxes each month. So if neither of them really speak to you, just pause your subscription for that month and wait for a month that's better. That way, every box that you get, you will love. It works. You can make it work for you. I was just lazy, and with my lazy experience in mind, it was a pretty good experience. So if I actually had put some of that, a tiny bit of effort, because all it takes is a little click here and there to say pause this, resume the subscription, you know, whatever. I think you email them. It's not that big a deal, and it's worth the effort. I mean, like, there's a ton of products here right now that I can't wait to try. So not a bad little 2023 surprise from my 2021 through 2022 Kind of Beauty experience. If you have used Kind of Beauty before and subscribed, or are currently subscribed to it, let me know what you think. Did you like it? Do you like it? Are you continuing it with it? Did you stop? Why? For me, I mean, I already have way too much of everything. I'm very set in my ways. I know what products I want for my face and this and that. I don't need to keep trying new things, honestly. With hair, yes. With everything else, not really. So that's why I stopped. And that's it. This concludes my Kinder Beauty series and my Kinder Beauty experience. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more. And I hope to see you in my next one. Ciao for now.